Ever pondered why we spend nearly a third of our lives in a state of unconsciousness? That's right, we're talking about sleep. But not just any sleep. Today, we delve into the science of sleep and the profound impact it has on our health, our well-being, and even our lifespan. In the hustle and bustle of the 21st century, sleep often falls by the wayside. Yet, emerging research suggests it's time to reevaluate our priorities. According to a study from the University of California, Berkeley, sleep deprivation can lead to a 40% decrease in the ability of our brains to form new memories. Now imagine that impact compounded over weeks, months, or even years. But the power of sleep extends far beyond memory enhancement. Researchers at the University of Rochester found that during sleep, our brains enter a cleaning cycle. They discovered that brain cells shrink by 60%, creating space for the brain's waste removal system to flush out harmful toxins. Toxins associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And it doesn't stop there. The University of Chicago's research revealed that sleep deprivation can cause a 50% reduction in the body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone critical for regulating blood sugar levels. This could potentially lead to the development of type 2 diabetes. Sleep also plays a crucial role in our immune function. A study from Germany's University of Tübingen found that a good night's sleep can triple the number of immune cells in our bodies, fortifying our defenses against diseases. Emotionally, sleep acts as a reset button. The University of Liverpool found that a lack of sleep can increase emotional reactivity, making us more prone to stress and anxiety. So, a well-rested mind is not only more productive, but also more resilient. To summarize, sleep is not just a passive state of rest. It's an active state of healing and rejuvenation. It strengthens our memory, cleanses our brains, regulates our blood sugar levels, boosts our immunity, and stabilizes our emotions. In the grand scheme of things, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. It is not a waste of time, but an investment in our health, our well-being, and ultimately, our longevity. So, as the world continues to spin at a breakneck pace, remember to take a step back, unwind, and give your body the sleep it truly deserves. In the realm of health, sleep is the unsung hero, the silent knight that fights off toxins, diseases, and emotional turmoil. So the next time you think about pulling an all-nighter, remember, sleep is not just for the weak. It is, indeed, the secret weapon of the strong.